Hello everybody, welcome to today's video, and today Ayla and her horse Trooper will be continuing to work on the ground moving the forehand. This time we will be using a hackamore, which is like a wheel hackamore, and we will also be using button number 1 and transitioning between the pressure point on the neck and button number 1. We're also using indirect rein, so let's see how she's doing. Okay, here we go, continuing with Trooper and Ayla bitless, and we are working on moving the forehand. We are going back and forth between pressure point number 1 and we're getting button number 1 as well. So what we're going to do is take a step using pressure point number 1, pressure point, and crossover and release. Now go to button number 1, pressure point and release, good. And try button number 1 again. But yep, try it again. That's the ultimate goal. Good. He's responding much better to that. All right, reach down, grab your stirrup. Here you go. I'll help you with that. And let's see how well. Remember, use indirect rein. Good. One more step. Let's see. Use button number 1. Good. That is so much better than what he has been doing previously. Okay, what you do on one side, you do on the other. Remember, she has her little loop right here. She's going to go button number 1 and then, pressure point number 1 and then button number 1 on the opposite side, and we're going to go for the crossover to isolate that forehand. So he's already giving pretty good. We're doing this bitless. So let's go button number 1 or pressure point. Now go back down to button. There you go. Keep going, keep going. We want to get the cross. Remember, there. Now we got to cross, release. So let's go back to button number 1. Okay, so now we've gotten to the point where we're ready to just use our stirrup to use that cue. So remember, don't touch him until you're ready. Pull his head to the side, and let's use button number 1, and there we go, good job. One more time, let's go. There we go. Excellent. He is coming along just fine, and it's slower than you might want to think, but it's working, right? Thank you so much for joining me on today's video, and if you enjoyed the video, give us a like, and if you haven't already, please subscribe, and remember, to see more, check out our playlists.